Welcome back to our channel, Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Before wasting the time, let's start the video. First of all, our question is write a program to print hello square. How to print it? What is the logic behind this? As you can see here in this diagram, it's simply explained that how to print the hello square. As you can see here, this is the pattern which we want to print it. For that, what are the logic we need? To printing the star in the first row, if the condition is I is equal to 1. When the first iteration, when is I is equal to 1, what you have to print? You have to print the star in the first row. Just like first row, you have to print the star. Then, as you can see in the last row, what we have are 4 4 4 4 means the last of the row is have a j is equal to 4, sorry, I is equal to 4 and is equal to 4. That is the reason here we have to bring the star. So the second condition is when I is equal to n, print the last row. N means what numbers you have to print the star. If you have n equals to 5, the 5 is the last number to iterate that. The same as here in the where the j I is equal to 4, same as the I is equal to and you have to print the star. Last row is completed, first row is completed. Now what you have to print in the first column. What is the logic behind this? So as you can see here in the row, in the column, you can see here everywhere 1, 1, 1, 1. This is the column. Where the j is equal to 1, the logic is where the j is equal to 1, you have to print the star. Now come to the last column, where you have to print the star. As you can see here in the last column, what we have 4, 4, 4, 4. Means last iterations what we have 4 and n equals to 4. That is why the condition is when the j is equal to n, the last column will be printed the star. That is the logic behind this. Let's go to the Eclipse and we'll solve this problem. So, so just as you can see here, the question behind this question is question question is Java program for hello square star pattern. Solving this, first of all, need a main method, and the main method what we have scanner. Take the scanner that take the input as a dynamic input. Scanner s is equal to new scanner. Getting the scanner for that need a new keyword system. Sorry, system system dot in. Take the input from the dynamic for that and just this out enter enter size of a square, size of a square or hello square. Then take the one input, one variables which is taking the input and is equal to s dot next int. Then after this, what we needed, we need a to for loop to represent the row and column. So just take the for loop and iterate from the I is equal to 1, I should less than is equal to n I plus plus. Then inside of the for loop, you need a int I. Okay. Create the inner for loop which represent the our column. for int j is equal to 1, j should less than is equal to n, j plus plus, and the logic is here. So what is the logic? The logic is just if I is equal to 1, uh, I is equal to 1, or sorry, yeah, I is equal to n, or is the operator which represent the if the any one of the condition is true, you have to print a star. For that reason, we use here or operator, and or j is equal to 1. There also you have to print the star, or j is equal to n. You have to print the star. This is how print star space and just print. Don't be write a println statement here. Just come out the inner for loop. Sorry, one more thing. Else, what we need to print that also, right? Else print the space. This is our print space, and come out this for loop, inner for loop, and print the sys out println for the next line. Now run our program and check is it working fine or not. Let's run this program. See, enter the size of hollow square. So let's enter 4. Uh, as you can see, we will getting the, but this side of the star is not printing. Let me check the conditions first. See, the logic is right. Here you have to use a print statement instead of println. Println statement only use when all the star is print in that row. Then you have to print the println statement. That is why we affect the inner loop. You have to write the println statement. It takes 5. Run it. Oh, sorry, it's I don't know. Run it again. 4. Take 4. Why we are getting this? Okay, it's fine, but the problem is here. You do not have to write this space here. Just print the star. This printing in this line. So let's run it, and let's enter the 5 here. See, you will get the hello, hello square. So our program is working fine. That's all about English video. Thank you for watching Coding Fails.